What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Consumer Picks, the channel where we dig deep, test everything hard, and bring you only the gear that's actually worth your money. Today, we're heading out to the water because we're breaking down the best fishing kayaks of 2025. Whether you're chasing bass at your local lake or just looking for the perfect excuse to spend more time outdoors, having the right kayak can make or break your day. And here's the best part. You don't have to shell out thousands of dollars for a serious fishing rig. We've rounded up the absolute best paddle kayaks you can grab without blowing your budget, from lightweight solo launches to full-on fishing platforms with tons of gear space. If you're ready to take your fishing game to the next level, stick around. And as always, product links to all the kayaks we talk about are right down below in the description. All right, let's dive into it. If you're just getting into kayak fishing and don't want to blow a hole in your wallet, Pelican's Argo 100X EXO is seriously worth a look. Pelican really nailed the formula here. Affordable, stable, and super easy to handle. It's 10 feet long and ultra lightweight at just 36 pounds, which means you can throw it on your car roof or truck bed solo without breaking a sweat. What really sets it apart is the cockpit. It's huge for a kayak this size, so hopping in and out is a breeze, even if you're carrying gear or have limited mobility. They also packed in thoughtful touches like a built-in drink holder, a rear storage hatch, and even a removable EXO storage bag to keep your bait or lunch cold. Sure, it's not built for raging rivers or hardcore fishing tournaments, but for casual lakeside fishing and exploring calm waters, it's perfect. Lightweight, durable, and wallet-friendly. What more could you ask for to get started? Now, if you want to step it up a notch, check out the Wilderness Systems Tarpon 105. This is hands down one of the best sit-on-top fishing kayaks out there right now. It's about 10.5 feet long and built like a tank, stable, comfortable, and ready for anything. We're talking serious storage here, adjustable foot braces, a large dry hatch for valuables, and side rails ready to mount your favorite fishing accessories. Plus, it's self-bailing, so you don't have to worry about sloshing around in a puddle all day. The Tarpon series also has bigger brothers, the 120 and 140, but the 105 hits the sweet spot for maneuverability while still offering solid tracking. It's ideal for beginners and seasoned anglers alike. Smooth paddling, easy on and off, and tough as nails, the Tarpon 105 is a total winner if you want that sit-on-top freedom. All right, sliding into the number 4 spot, we've got the Pelican Catch Classic 100. And if you're all about keeping things simple, easy, and crazy stable, this is a kayak you seriously need to check out. At just 10 feet long and weighing in at only 57 pounds, the Catch Classic 100 is one of the lightest fishing kayaks you can grab today. And trust me, that makes a huge difference when you're loading up solo or dragging your kayak down to the water. No heavy lifting marathons required here. The hull is made from Pelican's ultra-durable Ram XTM material, meaning it's tough enough to take some serious abuse. Think dragging over rocks, beach launches, or scrapes with submerged logs. It's built for real-world fishing, not just showroom floors. Pelican packed this little beast with fishing-ready features. You get a comfortable lawn chair-style seat that keeps you relaxed for long days on the lake, 2 built-in rod holders to keep your gear organized and ready to go, and mounting tracks for easy add-ons like fish finders, cup holders, or action camera setups. The Pelican Catch Classic 100 is a total no-brainer if you want something light, super stable, and fully ready to fish right out of the gate, and all without torching your wallet. Coming in at number 3, let's talk about the Wilderness Systems Pungo 120. And trust me, this kayak is a classic for a reason. First off, it's crazy comfortable. The cockpit is huge, 20 inches long, with an amazing padded seat that honestly feels more like a recliner than a kayak chair. If you're planning full days on the water, comfort is king, and the Pungo delivers it better than almost anything else on the market. Performance-wise, it's the perfect hybrid. Stable enough for gentle rivers and small lakes, but with the glide and tracking to cover longer distances without tiring yourself out. It's a dream for paddlers who want versatility without compromising maneuverability. It's easy to see why the Pungo scores so high year after year. Balance, comfort, and reliable performance wrapped up in one slick package. Absolute classic. Coming in hot at number 2, we have the Perception Outlaw 11.5. And let me tell you, this thing has a cult following for a reason. At 11 feet 6 inches long, it's super roomy and absolutely built for fishing. You get 4 built-in rod holders, side tackle trays, a huge under-seat storage area, and an elevated lawn chair-style seat that can even be swapped out for a cooler. Genius. Paddling the Outlaw? Well, you'll hear mixed opinions. Some call it a barge, others say it tracks great. But what's clear is that it's designed for fishing, first and foremost. You're not going to win any kayak races in this thing, but you will win when you've got all your rods, gear, and a big old bass on board. If you want an ultra-fishable platform and don't mind sacrificing a little paddling speed, the Outlaw is hands down one of the best fishing kayaks under $1,000 today. And finally, our top pick, the Pelican Catch Mode 110. This is everything you want in a fishing kayak at a price that won't make your wallet cry. It's 10 feet 8 inches long, weighs just 63 pounds, and the Ram-X hull is practically indestructible. Seriously, you can beach it, bash it, scrape it. It just keeps going. What makes it perfect for fishing? Gear space everywhere. Room for rods, a fishing crate, a fish finder, tackle storage under the seat, and even extra bow storage. Plus, that lawn chair-style seat, super comfy and doubles as a high fishing perch when folded down. Pelican even built it motor mount ready, so if you want to slap a trolling motor on there later, you're all set. Lightweight, durable, customizable, and affordable. The Catch Mode 110 is the total package, and that's why it's our #1 pick for the best fishing kayak of 2025. Alright guys, that's our full roundup of the best fishing kayaks you can grab in 2025. Whether you're looking for an entry-level paddler or a tricked-out fishing machine, there's something here for everyone. Links to all the kayaks we talked about are down in the description, so definitely check them out if one caught your eye. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to Consumer Picks, and hit that bell so you never miss a smart shopping tip. Happy fishing, and I'll catch you in the next one.